Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest updates from Quest Global and UST Global. So this video is basically for all the coders and non-coders because I have come up with some job updates for people who are from the coding background, also for people who are from non-coding background. Okay, so we'll be seeing the recent updates from Quest Global and UST Global. One of our subscribers very recently got placed in Quest, so that's why I thought of making a video on Quest. Also, many people are getting selected to UST nowadays. There is actually a lot of job openings in UST Global. Okay, so please do watch this video till the end. I'll be putting all the links in description. Please make sure you watch the video and then go to the links and then apply. Okay, so let's have a look on the updates one by one. The first update that we are going to see is from Quest. So this is a recruitment update from Quest, and the post name is officer. The location of job is Bangalore, Karnataka is a location of job. Let us have a look on the educational requirement here. So here they're asking for some required skills. This Microsoft Office skills and Oracle project accounting knowledge. So here the educational requirement they are asking is associate degree in finance. So if you are from a finance background like BCom, MCom, all those candidates can apply, and they are asking an experience 0 to 1 years. And it is clearly written that this is an entry level post. Okay, and it is a full-time post. Also, they have given some of the desired skills as you should be having a knowledge in MS Office, good that is data analysis skills, ability to work in flexible working conditions. That is the only requirement here. You should be a good learner. You should have good interpersonal skills. You should meet the deadlines. That is the requirement here. 0 to 1 year of experience they have clearly mentioned, and it is for freshers. And also you can see they have not mentioned any year of pass out. Okay, so please to apply for it if you are from BCom, MCom or any finance related backgrounds. Okay, so that is the first post. The second post that we are going to see is again from Quest Global itself. First we'll see all the Quest recruitment updates, then we'll move to the UST. Okay, so for the UST Global recruitment updates, it is mainly for people from coding related backgrounds like B Tech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, BSc. That is the area. Okay, now let us have a look on the recruitment update from Quest. The second recruitment update, it is for management trainee post. Educational requirement they are saying is BBA, MBA is the educational requirement. Okay, so if you are having BBA, MBA education, please go for it. Experience is 0 to 1 years. Again, this is a full-time job and the experience level is entry level. Okay, so other things they have mentioned here is knowledge in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, then communication skills, focusing personality, energetic, positive, good gender attitude. Means you should have a good interpersonal skills or good attitude, relationship management. So that is the requirements they are asking here. Okay, so if you are having an educational background, BBA, MBA, all those category of people can apply for the second post. Okay, so these are the recruitment updates from Quest Global. Next, let us move on to the UST Global recruitment updates. The first post that we are going to see is Developer 3. Before that, I want to tell you one thing. Nowadays, a lot of recruitment update is happening from UST Global. They are hiring more and more people as freshers. A lot of my students and subscribers got recently placed in UST. Actually, there is one video in which a person is sharing the interview experience in our channel. Below that, you can actually check for the comments. You can yourself understand a lot of recruitments is nowadays happening. Many people is waiting for their call letters. You can also apply. You can also get your job. So please try for this. Okay. So Developer 3, software engineer is the, that is software engineering is the nature, that is the post name. Location is Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Currently, you can work from home. No problem in that. Work from home is eligible. Okay. I mean, work from home is applicable. Yeah. Now, the educational qualification, they have actually not mentioned anything as such. If you are from a coding related background, that is all the BB Tech candidates, all the MEM Tech candidates, MCA. Also, if you are from BSc, MSc, all the candidates can apply here. Okay. So finding a job is a tough task, right? Especially if you are a fresher, finding a job is a tough task. So we have already talked about the platform which is called Relevel. So here there is no registration fees or anything. You can find your dream company and your dream package. The big companies like Urban Company, Upgrad, Razorpay, Meesho, and a lot of startup companies and big unicorns are actually hiring through this platform which is called Relevel. Now there is an exciting news about Relevel that they have actually launched an app for all the Android and the iOS users. So you can download this app through your phone, and you can actually book the test slot and everything through your phone itself. So what you have to do is you have to sign up to this app with the link which I'll be putting in description box. You have to get your OTP generated, get authenticated, and then you have to book a test slot. You can actually select whichever domain you are interested in, whether front end or back end or whichever domain you are interested in, and then give the test. And if you are getting a good score, you'll be hired by the big companies. Also, if you are using your PC or your laptop, what you have to do is you have to just click on this icon which is called get hired, and then you have to book a test slot and then give the test. Okay, so that is all. You don't have to pay any money or anything. This is completely free of cost venture. Please make use of it. All the links I'll be putting in description, and please check out the links. So if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Name is developer, and you should be having some basic coding skills. I'm not telling you to have a certification in some programming languages, or you should have a experience in coding. You need to only know the basic outline of a code or how to write a program. That is the only requirement. Okay, only basic coding skills you require, because they have not asked for any experience here. And the location we have already talked, it is Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, now let us have a look on the role. So independently develop error free code, high quality validation, and you should be, that is the nature of job. We know that what is the job of a developer. You should be writing code, testing it, debugging it. That is the nature of job here. Okay, so here any year of pass out can apply, no problem in the year of pass out. If you are from 2018 background or 2019 or 20 or 21, all the candidates are eligible to apply. Okay, yeah. So here you can see the detailed description, and if you are interested, just click on this apply now icon. Okay, so that is the first post, which is developer 3 software engineering. Then next post is again the same job role itself, developer 3, but it is for a different location. It is for Bangalore. Okay, the post details, everything they have given is same exactly. Only thing is that the location is different. The first one is for Thiruvananthapuram, the second one is for Bangalore location. A lot of people ask me in the comment section about the Bangalore location job update. So here it is. Please to apply for it. What you have to do to apply is just click on this apply now icon. It is absolutely free. There is no charge for recruitment or anything. Just apply here. And if you apply for multiple job roles, only then you will get selected. Many people are commenting that they are desperate, they are not getting any jobs. The main reason is that you are not actually trying to the maximum potential. You have to keep on applying to all the job updates, prepare along with it. You will definitely get a job for sure. Okay, yeah. The next post is for a tester, and software testing is the area. Tester 2 software testing, the location is Kochi. Okay, so the role proficiency also, they have given good communication skills. You should be able to write the test cases, test execution, reporting. Yeah, that is the only thing. You don't need any experience or anything. If you are a fresher, you are open to apply. Okay, freshers are completely eligible here. And as I've told you, BE Tech, ME Tech, MCA, BSc, MSc candidates can definitely apply here. Okay, if you are having at least basic coding skills, please go for it. Yeah, this is the job which is tester 2. Next again, tester 3 software testing, Bangalore, Karnataka is the location. So now you can see most of the recruitment updates are Bangalore based or Kerala based. Okay, so currently you can work from your home, but later on you'll have to relocate to these 2 locations. Okay, so please take care of this thing. Yeah, here again, this is the testing job. So you should be able to write the test cases, execute the test cases. That is the requirement here. So if you are interested in working with UST Global, I must tell you, this is the perfect time. Don't miss out this opportunity, because when there was a layoff, they have actually, many people lost their jobs. But now they are conducting mass hiring. A lot of locations of UST are hiring people. So please do apply for it. High chances of getting selected. Okay, yeah. So that's all about today's video. Now talking about the selection process here, it will be consisting of minimum 3 stages. The first stage is going to be an aptitude test. It will be an MCQ based examination. You can give the test from your home itself. You don't need to travel or anything. And then the second stage is going to be technical rounds. In the technical rounds, you will be asked questions basically from the resume. Whatever skills you have plotted in your resume, you will be asked questions from that area. Also, if you are from a coding background, consider that if you are from computer science or IT branch, you will be asked to write at least a basic coding structure. You can expect this. Otherwise, if you are from ECE or EEE background, Mostly there won't be any coding related questions. Mostly the questions will be from your resume itself. Now, if you want to have a detailed idea about the selection process, there is a video about the selection process in this channel itself. I'll be putting that link in description. Okay, so please to check out that video. Actually, the video has got a lot of views nowadays because a lot of people are asking for the selection process. Many people, as I've told you, are waiting for their call letters or their offer letters. Yeah, so please to check out that video. I'll be putting that link in description. So that is the second stage of selection. The third stage is going to be an HR interview. Probably this second stage and third stage will be combined because this interview process is going to happen on the virtual mode, means video conferencing based. Okay, so that is going to be the three stages of selection. Salary, you can expect minimum 35,000 in the beginning itself. Nowadays, a lot of companies, they are offering good packages. Yeah, so you can also get minimum 30 to 35,000 per month in the starting stages itself. Yeah. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please support the channel. Please watch our videos. Also keep trying, keep applying for the jobs. Also prepare along with it. Don't just keep applying. Along with that, you have to prepare also. Okay. You have to enhance your subject knowledge, also some coding skills, basic things you have to at least cover. And if you do this, you can definitely find a job in 2021 itself. Okay. So that's it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Keep supporting. Keep on watching.